Hi, so today is Tuesday. It's Tuesday. What I'm talking. Basically, Coco and I are stuck inside because the air quality is way too bad for me to be able to let her outside for more than like 10 seconds to go pee. So we're chilling, you know, we're okay. I literally can't leave her out there for more than 10 seconds because her eyes start to water. Like, that is how bad it is. And the weather app told me that the weather today is smoke. So, not cloudy, not anything like that. I thought it was like gonna rain. I was like, oh good, they need that right now. No, the weather is literally smoke. But anyway, I made these shorts out of some of my mom's old pants a while back. And I don't know, I was being lazy, honestly. I was just like, oh, let me do like a quick little hack. Like the ones that I always see on Pinterest. I know how to make clothes. Why was I doing hacks? Because I was being lazy. That's why. I thought like, hey, you know, this is actually not, oh, I remember. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. Because here was the thing. I opened up the waistband and I put some elastic back here to tighten up the shorts, but no matter how much I trimmed the elastic down, it still wasn't enough to cinch the waist because there's just too much denim. Like, it's not strong enough elastic and there's too much denim. So I had cut it down to like 6 inches across my back and it still was really baggy and I was like constantly pulling up the shorts. We're gonna do this right this time, as in like we're going to take in the sides, actually finish the bottom, the hem of the pant short legs, and move the pockets if we have to, which we most likely will. And you can tell I'm taking this seriously because my hair is already in a bun. And I bought 2 spools of heavy duty denim thread. So this should be able to get through the denim and then also do all of the top stitching that I would have to do for any of this. Are you okay? Because I'm okay. Are you okay? Blink once if you're okay. Let's do this. There was no need to do that. I'm so sorry. With the back, I don't even have to move the pockets. I'm wearing shorts under this. I don't even have to move the pockets. I just wanted to try it on and test it and make sure like the side seams looked okay. For the most part they do, but this one is having a slight bubble. So I'll probably go back in and fix that. Just like sew over it again. But the pockets are actually not bad. I thought they were gonna be like super tiny, but they're not. I also marked where I'm cutting the hem, so that's all set. Since that's all done, I just have to go back in and sew the waistband closed and down, and that will be it. All right. The side came out perfect. It looks so good. The inside's a little rough. My machine wasn't handling the denim that well, but other than that, it looks really good. The hem came out good. The waistband looks good. Now it's just finishing this side. They came out so good. Yes, I had to film my outro in 2 parts. They came, wait, my zipper's down, how embarrassing. They came out so good. Ignore this. Fits the butt perfectly. I didn't have to move the back pockets. My waist, it's pretty good. I probably would want it like a little bit tighter, but I don't know. I think it does okay, and I can always add a belt to it in the future. But other than that, I really love how these came out. They are perfect, and I have a whole lot of denim from what I cut off that I can use on a couple future projects I have in mind. So that's all for my video today. I really hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.